All right, it's a little late. I haven't had time. I appreciate you guys coming to check out the channel. This is an unboxing of a board. I'm not a skater. I just like to collect stuff and do unboxing videos and show people what they will get when they order stuff. So this is something I was interested in, and I was able to get it. And only reason that I ended up getting this is because when one of my favorite movies, as far as again as an adult watching this, thoroughly entertaining. When I saw that they were releasing this skateboard or this board, I mean, it was one of those things. I always said to myself, you know what, this is actually a pretty cool piece to get, hang on the wall, and then just go from there. So I'm gonna open it carefully because I don't know where the best place to cut it at, but here it is. And let me just cut this other part over here. Oh, I'm messing my desk now. All right. So here it is. What is this? Where is it? Okay. Move this out the way carefully. I don't want to throw stuff around. It's a little late, so. All right, so here it is. It's a Supreme deck. It shows over here in the bottom, world famous. If I can get the light out. So sorry about that. All right, so this is probably the best way I can do the review. So you have the world famous Supreme over here. It's in a plastic, it's black. And over here, it does say Shrek, which is a Supreme sticker that they put into it. I want to get the one with the sky, but again, love this. Let's do it this way. There you go. No reflection now. Well, maybe a little bit, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this series. After 2, it kind of fell off. Part 2 to me was a classic. Part 1 was good, but 2 was just a classic. There was just so many things in that movie that just, if anybody gets a chance to watch, the Shrek movies, definitely watch Part 2. Part 1 of course is important, but Part 2 is just, it's like over the top as far as like comedy and so many little messages that go in that movie, which to me was one of DreamWorks' finest projects that they did when it comes to animation. And of course they were competing with Disney, Pixar at that time, where them two were the only major ones that are going at it. So this has like a nice, if you look at it over here, and I'm not gonna take it out, the plastic, but over here you have this nice, almost like a stained look, like there's liquid, and you can see the pattern on, almost as if like liquid fell on it, which is pretty cool. And over here there is so I can get it closer, we could see it. Oh, right there we see the sticker at, which just fell. See it right here. It does say DreamWorks Shrek right on there. Hopefully you could see it without the reflection. I can get it closer. And I can't really see it, but yeah, it's pretty much it. So at some point I'm hoping to hang this up. It might go in storage for now until, once everything settles and I get everything all together and I can put in a place that I can really say, you know what, be comfortable and not have to worry about moving it for a while. So yeah, I appreciate it. For everybody who watches, Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a review of the Supreme deck for skateboarders, as far as when it comes to it. But this is basically off the Shrek theme, which was a very popular one. And again, I'm not going to collect all of them. Supreme does make some really nice boards, and there was one that's going for a lot. It's almost like a giant collage, and each piece has its purpose. So here it is, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it, the video. Any questions? Again, you can probably get this through StockX right now. This is where you can probably get them for resale. And I don't think they're going for much, so if anybody who likes to collect and get a chance to get it through the Supreme site, I was lucky enough to get it. I didn't get the color that I wanted, so I just settled for this one. And yeah, it'll be going at some point on a wall, some wall, not knowing which one. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Definitely subscribe, pass the word on, doesn't hurt, and I'll see you guys soon.